Can you find the next number in 10 seconds? Okay, let's start. Time up. What did you get and how did you solve it? Let me know in the comments. So now there are two ways that we can solve this. First, let's study the pattern. You see that 3 here, what is the difference between 3 and 7? The difference here, we have 4. Now, between 7 and 15, we have 8. Between 15 and 31, we have 16. Now, after studying this, there are two ways we can get our next answer. Is either we use this pattern. If you look at this, we have 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. So that means the difference between this and this will be 32. 31 plus 32 is 63. So the next number is 36. I mean 30, 63, sorry. So another way we can find this is by saying, okay, we are here, the next number after 3 is 4. So we are adding 3 plus 4. The next number after 7 is 8. We add 7 plus 8. The next number after 15 is 16. We add 15 plus 16. Then the next number after 31 is 32. Then we add 31 plus 32. Any method you use, you will still get the correct answer. So let me know, did you use any of these two methods or did you use another method? Let me know in the comments.